Hello? Oh god, you scared the shit out of me. Hello everybody, and thank you so much for joining me. Today is going to be a real quick video. I can't wait to show you how to make your own sugar scrub at home with just 4 simple ingredients. Before I get started, if you're just joining me for the first time, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and jump on over to Twitter and follow me at begreenwithe. That way you don't miss out on our content. It comes out every single Wednesday and Sunday. This specific recipe has a couple ingredients tailored towards fighting ingrown hairs and irritation after shaving. However, you can tailor it to your individual needs and change up the oils inside and the essential oils for your skin type or the situation that you're using it for. The first essential oil that we're going to be using is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a lot of great qualities, some of which are antiseptic, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory. As well, it promotes the healing of wounds. The other essential oil I'm going to be using is lavender oil. Lavender oil is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it's great for soothing sensitive skin. The sugar that I'm using is brown sugar. You can change that up for whatever sugar you prefer. I actually like the brown sugar because of its stickiness. It holds together and I don't have to use a ton of oil. I personally don't like to use a lot of oil in my sugar scrubs. The ratio is typically 2:1, but I usually do way less than that. I would definitely recommend using this scrub for a couple of days after you shave as well. It really just helps to keep everything soothed and avoid any kind of irritation. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at begreenwithe, and that's E as in Aaron. Bye guys!